Hello friends, how y'all doing? Have you ever wondered what happens if you put dry ice into a bonfire? Let's check it out. I'm gonna put dry ice in the middle of the flame. Like this. Let's see what happens. Let me put this log on top of the dry ice. Here we go. Look at this. It's totally surviving. And if I clean it, it's white again. Nothing really happening to this dry ice block, except to just get dirty. That's all. Let's turn it on the other side. See that? Completely okay. Well, it's not surprising because dry ice is used in fire extinguishers to put out fire. That's why it's not melting and it's not burning at all. I don't even see any evaporation from it. It's pretty cool. Let me put this thing here. Look at this. The fire from this piece is gone as soon as I put it on the dry ice. And look at this, when I put this piece back, it started burning again. Let's put it on dry ice again. Look at that. Here we go. No fire. Well, as you guys can see, the dry ice completely survived. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I'll see you next time.